that switch outside, keep the safety groove. Water and power don't dance too sweet. 404.4
Can't take that heat.
No switch in the shower, no, no, no way. Keep it on the wall where it's safe every day. Electric and water, respect the line.